Google Sheets is a web-based application, and there might be times when you may not have a proper internet connection and you may not be able to access out the file. So if you want to access out the file while you're offline as well, then you have an option over here in Google Sheets for that. So to do that, you can go around into File right here, and you can see this option called Make Available Offline. And once you click on this, what happens is that it asks you to install an extension to make the document available offline. Install the Docs Offline Chrome extension to your browser, as it says. So I'm going to click on install, and it takes me to the Chrome Web Store right here, where I can install this plugin called Google Docs Offline. So I'm just going to go around and then add the extension right here. Let me just get out the full screen right here, and you can see that now the extension has been added in. So I'm just going to close around right here. I'm going to go around now into File and click on Make Available Offline, and it says right here, turn on offline to access file without an internet connection. And once you turn on, the document is downloaded onto your memory, and then even if you do not have an internet connection, you'll be able to view this file. If you were to go around over here onto your Google Sheet homepage, then you can do the same with other files as well. So you can go around over here, you can turn on the available offline feature, and then it'll be downloaded onto your computer. And that is how you can access files offline inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.